Good morning, all of you. Today's your subject is computer and chapter number 7, Introduction of Database. Today we start the chapter Introduction of Database. Before understood what is data. Data is the smallest unit of the any characters, word, text. So the as data is as a work of raw materials. So the definition of data, the raw facts and figures are called data. The raw facts and figures are called data. विभिन्न प्रकार की जो आकृतियाँ होती हैं वो सभी क्या कहलाती हैं, डाटा कहलाती हैं। इनकी सहायता से हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स के टेक्स्ट को लिख सकते हैं। इसी प्रकार से नेक्स्ट आपका आता है डाटाबेस। डाटाबेस इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड मैनुअल डाटा for different types of purpose. There are different types of database used in the computer system as a database. Database is as a work management work, and database also store as a record for the future purpose. The definition of data: a database is a collection of very general that manage the information and fast storage and retrieve data. Database storage capacity as a large and data capacity and converted into the different types of matter. And again example of database. Example of database, there are different types of used database in the computer system. That such as DBase third plus. It is a database. Database is run by the DOS operating system. In ancient times, this software used as a database and also named as database third plus. And again example, Foxbase. Foxbase also the software used in MS-DOS environment. And again third number, Fox Pro. Fox Pro also as a database program in used both operating system, DOS operating system and Windows operating system. And again MS Access. MS Access is also the database management program, and it is also called the RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. MS Access is the part of MS Office. in the Windows operating system environment, and others Oracle, SQL, both are and all of these as a database program. डाटाबेस प्रोग्राम्स का यूज़ हम लोग किसी भी रिकॉर्ड्स को मैनेज करने के लिए, इसीलिए हम इसको बोलते हैं DBMS. DBMS, इट मीन्स डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. And MSX is also the RDBMS. 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 It is the full form of the relational. इसका relational प्लस हो जाएगा relational database management system. MSX is the RDBMS because that make the text multiple. It is used for the multi-purpose, so it is called the RDBMS. MS Access या others database management programs used as store the data, fast storage, retrieval data, accurate. It is also the accurate answer display. जब हम इसको क्रिएट करते हैं तो डाटाबेस फाइल्स कितनी होती है, उसमें हम रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करते हैं, और रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करने से पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, फील्ड क्रिएट, फील्ड्स को क्रिएट करते हैं. किसी भी डाटा को जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन्स, पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स, पर्टिकुलर आइटम्स, बिफोर एड द रिकॉर्ड मेक ए फील्ड्स सच एज. Through the example, make a table. Table also contain different types of fields, such as period, second column, subject, third, subject teacher's name, and timing. Make a table through the database as the field creation, and after that below the fields type the and write the any records. Suppose periods column mention one period 1, subjects column record period any subject Hindi, and teacher's name any names, and timing. So the top mention the field's name, and below the fields is also called the record. What is data and database? What is database and example of database? And again uses of database and features of database. Features of database. Features of database. Number 1, your personal data, like a address book in a Word document. And second number, address book as personal data. and second number, a collection of Word documents. Collection of Word document. And third, a collection of Excel worksheet. Collection of वर्कशीट, एक्सेल वर्कशीट। एक्सेल जो प्रोग्राम होता है उसमें हम एक्सेल वर्कशीट and again number 4, a very large fast file which you run some statistical purpose as a mathematical purpose. And again, data use the support to launch a special file. Data support as long file etc. So let's discuss about the introductions of database and subtopics data, database, example of database and features of database. And again discuss topics tomorrow. Today's work this, note down your notebook. Thanks, have a good day.